back with Slime Squad, and I got this bed out. This is part 2, and they came with a lot of accessories. They're all over there, including like this blanket and the pillow and this ladder. And yeah, now my room is kind of a mess with this stuff. I'm gonna have to clean it, but oh, here's another accessory that they came with, and this is just all the stuff that Weston came with. It's pretty much a lot. Yeah, so let's just take this down. Here, Weston's gonna go in, and I tried Weston in here, and he fits perfect. I love it. I just love it. Look at that. And this is like the shortest of my beds. Oh, here, let's just squish that back. Okay, so I'm just gonna set you guys over here. I'm just gonna set these like right there. Yep. Whoa. Alright, so we're down. And it's kind of a mess with the babies. They're kind of all playing right now. Oh, and as you guys saw, this is my horrible slime. Ooh, it's just so wet. It's just gross. But yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the smallest bed. But I'm probably going to move some of the babies in different beds. Like, oh no, that one's the smallest bed. Sorry. There you go, Layla. See, that one's a little taller. So yeah, that one's the smallest bed. Never mind, guys. So I think this one is going to go right here. Maybe because there's the door right there. But yeah, so let's see when these are open. Like, they can get out. They'll probably only get out one way. This way, because this door is kind of broken, as you guys can see. So yeah, they'll probably just open this one, and then this one can be blocked off by there. And then Weston can scooch right there, and that's good. Then he can scooch like to there, and these ones can scooch. Alright, so we have the beds. I think I'm just going to switch them around like this. But now, oh, okay, the ladder will go on this side then. Just tape all over. But, yeah, so this is where this bed is going to go. Weston is not sleeping in there. I'm probably going to make the younger ones. So you can just sit down, Weston. There. Yeah, I'm going to make, here, where's Tori? Tori? Cam, what are you, I mean, not Cam. Jasper, what are you doing? I have no idea what you said, but okay. Here, Tori, I need that. Come here.
Okay, I'll come with you.
Okay. Do you want to sleep on the top or the bottom? Bottom, yeah, okay. Here, let's see. Oh, you fit perfect. You're so cute. So Tori is definitely going to sleep there. And then I'm thinking Riley should sleep here. Maybe the bigger babies, actually, because I don't really want Riley sleeping there. Tori, never mind. You can go back to drinking your juice here. And since there's 6 people in a bed over here, I think I'm going to take Opal. and Bailey. Yeah, Opal and Bailey are sleeping in this little bed. There. So now we have people sleeping in that bed. I'm just gonna have to kind of change. I'm gonna have to cut that off. So, ow. I'm going to have to get some scissors. Or maybe I could just rip it off. Yeah, I could do that. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I have Opal right here and Bailey right here. And now I'm gonna put them all in their beds. I have them all in their beds, and you know that I just got Weston, so he does not have a bed. I'm going to find a bed for him. He's probably going to sleep down here. But yeah, so I'm going to make him a name tag right now. And yeah, I'll be right back. So I have his name tag right here. It says Weston. And I'm going to need the tape. I'm going to lay everyone down just like Caitlin is, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I got them all laid down, as you guys can see. Oh, except these ones. I forgot all about these ones. I'll be right back. So I have these ones all laid down. Riley looks like she's already sleeping. But I'm thinking Weston is gonna go with Caitlin because she's the only one that doesn't have a partner. Yes! You can't be mean to him. You alright with this, Weston?
Yeah, I can do this.
Alright. Where's Weston's name tag? Weston, where did your name tag go?
Up there.
Oh, found it. I don't know what this is. Maybe a big name tag. What? I'm just gonna leave it. There you go. Because Weston can put up with you. If you're mean to him, he can punch you in the nose. You can. You can do whatever you want if Caitlin's mean. Only if Caitlin's mean to you. Okay? Okay, I will. Okay. So now, Opal, do you like the new bed?
Yeah, this looks really fun.
Yeah. And how about you, Bailey?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
You're so excited to sleep in it?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, I'm glad. Oh no, I forgot these ones now. I'll be back, guys. The baby's to bed. Alright, so I got these ones laid down, and yes, April is a vintage. So you guys can see. But yeah, I'm going to see how everything is going, because it actually looks like everything's going good. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know what you think about this unicorn outfit. I call it my unicorn outfit. Love it. Whoops. Can't even make the love sign. Love it. There we go. Okay. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye guys.